Today we are going to talk about filings, and on filings, I would like to start with the different types of files. And as we know that files are categorized into coarseness and shapes. So onto coarseness, we have smooth file and rough files, and on the shapes we have half round
Hapa yani
shapes, half
wajipandisha
round
watu
files, we
wamejaa
have
bado peke yake text
triangular
YouTube.
files, we have flat files. So to us here, we have these are the flat files. These are flat files. These one are flat files, and they are single cut, whereby they can be used to remove a thickness of a metal. Also, we have a hand file. This hand file is it is also have a single cut, but it is smooth, and it is used for smoothing the material. We also have round half round file, which is a double cut, and also this one it is used for smoothing a material. So that's all about the files. We go to these ones. This is a center punch, which is used for marking dimensions on a workpiece. Also, we have this is a scriber. Also, it is used for marking on the workpiece. And if you are using this one, you should avoid putting them on a pocket like this, because it might cause harm or an injury to you. So the best place for you to put it is on its right place. Then we are going to, this one is engineering square. This one, an engineering square, which is used to measure or to measure the workpiece at the right angle, the right angles. Also, we have a steel rule. This is the steel rule. It is also used to measure the dimensions, especially it measuring the dimensions of a workpiece in millimeters. And this is the workpiece that we are going to use on filing this one. Also, we have, this is a sandpaper, which is used for smoothing the workpiece. After you have filing, you can use it to smooth. Then apart from that, we have, this is the steel brush, and these steel brushes are used to remove um, um, some metals on the files. So if you are removing the metals on the file, you're supposed to remove them vertically to the lines of the file. Okay, then apart from that, we have this one. This is an engineering device. So as we have said, this is the engineering device. I'll use my workpiece to demonstrate how filing takes place. I'm going to start by measuring the certain dimensions on my workpiece. So for example, I want to file this my workpiece around um, 0.2 millimeters here, around 0.2 millimeters. So I'm using this scriber to measure, and I'm drawing a line on here. So this is the line of the 2 millimeters. So I'm going to file this line. I'm going to file this line. So I'll come to the engineering vise and insert this workpiece in between it, in between the engineering vise. And adjust it so that it can be tightly held by the engineering base. Then I'm going to start by using this flat file to remove this thickness of 2 millimeters. So when filing, first of all, you should ensure that you hold the file appropriately. Apart from holding it appropriately. You make sure that when you are filing only forward, not forward and backward. Then you file it on a straight way, not on a slant ways. So I'm going to start filing. So this helps you to know that this file, it has been or the filing process, it is going on a horizontal way, not on a slant way. Okay, then this is how to when you want to remove the 2 millimeters you have measured. Apart from that, we have to make a straight line on here to cut it on this side. You make a line here, and if you want to remove this thickness, first of all you come with your piece of with your workpiece onto the engineering files and hold it tightly, adjust by adjusting it. Then on here you should use the flat files to remove this thickness. So while removing the thickness, also here you should file straight. So I'm gonna do this. So this is how you are removing the piece in a triangle way. This is how you remove that piece in a triangle way. Okay, thank you. The last thing I would like us to capture is on a curved way. So on a curved way, you should make sure you have you can use this one to make a curve on your workpiece. So this one becomes the curve, this one. So while removing the curve you just use a steel rule to make a curve on here. So this is the curve that you are removing it. So as you are removing the curve, make sure you adjust the engineering pipe into its position. Then you can also just use the flat file to file it to remove the thickness. After that, make sure you remove all angles. So at the end you might have a curve like this. So as you have end up having a curve like this, you can use this sandpaper to smoothing your workpiece. So you can just start by here where we have a curve, smoothing it on through. so you end up having a smooth workpiece like this one. So thank you, and you have a next time.